A can contains a mixture of two liquids, A and B, in the ratio 7:5. When 9 liters of mixture are drawn off and the can is filled with B, the ratio of A and B becomes 7:9. How many liters of liquid A was contained by the can initially? Okay. Now see here, first understand the concept. So this was the can. It contained liquids A and B in the ratio 7:5. Now 9 liters of the mixture is drawn off. Okay. Now whatever is remaining, it still has the ratio 7:5. A to B ratio is 7:5. But now it is completely filled with B. So this remaining part is now completely filled with B. Okay. Now because this is B, A to B ratio over here will be 0:1. Okay. This is a very important thing. We are filling this liquid, the remaining empty part, with only liquid B. So A to B ratio will be 0:1. Okay. So now let's represent this part in the alligation. So we are doing it from the perspective of liquid B. Okay. So liquid B in the original can, it was 5 parts out of 7 plus 5, 12. So 5 upon 12, it was liquid B. And over here, it is complete B. So therefore, we'll write it down as 1 upon 1. Okay, because it is complete. Okay. Now here, when these two things are mixed, eventually it becomes 7:9. So the B part is 9 upon 7 plus 9, that is 16. So 9 upon 16. Okay. Now we want to do cross subtraction. So therefore, let's make the denominators equal over here. So the LCM of 1, 12 and 16 is 48. So we can write this down as 48 upon 48. Okay. To make this 48, we multiply 12 by 4. So 5 fours are, we have 20 upon 48. To get this 48, we multiply this by 3. So 9 threes are 27. Okay. Now we use these three fractions for cross subtraction. So it becomes very easy. 27 minus 20, we have 7 upon 48. Okay. And 48 minus 27, that gives us 21 upon 48. Now this we are representing the original. Okay. And this is the replaced part. Okay. Now we know that it is ratio is 21:7. We can reduce it to 3:1. Now we know the replaced quantity is 9. Okay. That means this quantity X becomes 9 threes are 27. Okay. So now we can say that originally the can contained 27 plus 9, that is 36 liters of mixture. Okay. So this is 36 liters of mixture. We want how many liters of liquid A was contained by the can initially. So liquid A, how much was it? Liquid A is 7. So 7 upon 7 plus 5, that is 12 into 36. So 7 upon 12 into 36, we get the answer as 21 liters. So answer will be option C. Okay. Now the critical part here is understanding how we are getting this as 1:1. Okay. It's exactly similar how we get this 5 upon 12. Similarly, we are getting this as 1 upon 1. Okay. We can do the same question from the perspective of liquid A as well. Okay. Now this further part will remain the same. I'll just show you what will be the quantities over here. Okay. Now liquid A over here will be 7 upon 12. Okay. Now what we are filling up is liquid B. So the proportion of A in that will be 0. So we'll write down here 0 upon 1. And here eventually we want 7 is to 9. So that becomes 7 upon 7 plus 9, that is 16. So now do cross subtraction. You will get the same answer. 21 is to 7, 3 is to 1. So the further part remains the same. So in liquid A, it becomes 0 upon 1. In liquid B, it becomes 1 upon 1. This is the critical part.